Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all are doing well and I am as always amazing. So today we are going to do pizza design unfold, and if you are new to the channel make sure to hit a subscribe, and if you like the video make sure to hit a like also. So make sure to watch video till end, you will learn a lot. So yeah, let's begin now. So now we are here at my screen and we are going to unfold this design. So just wait for a minute and I will vanish or hide all the layers. So yeah, I began with a color red, and then I just use a pen tool to give this type of design. You can just simply go to pen tool and you can make this one like this, and then use make selection and select a new layer, and you can add a color in it. I used the yellow color, but you can use any color according to your color preference. So let me just delete this layer and deselect. So I just drawed a yellow stuff here because red and yellow colors are majorly used in food industry. And then I okay, then this is a font. I type pizza for everyone, and it has the same color as the background, but it also has a stroke. So stroke to just have give it this kind of effect. It has the same color as a background and a stroke. And then this layer, okay, this layer I just you just simply create a new layer and give it a black color. Okay, where is black? Give this layer a black color, then go to filter and pixelate, no, render, yeah, render clouds. So this is only this layer, and you can I have decreased its opacity. If I will increase the opacity it will look like this. I just added it to give it a smoke, and these all are not in the order. These all layers are not in the order. I designed them, and then I just simply make it. Then I simply arrange the layers. So this thing I did to give a smoke effect, and I also added a layer mask to just clean the middle area. So then we have a pizza, and I just used layer mask so that I can give it fine details. Let me disable layer mask. It was having a shadow here when I downloaded this image, so I just give it a layer mask to have the fine details. And then I added some tomatoes, and it's simply just you add the tomatoes and give them Gaussian blur, and I give them Gaussian blur, and I have merged the layers. So it is very simple, and you can add pizza for everyone. And then I added this mint leaves, and then this font pizza for everyone, and we have a Pizza Hut logo, and yep, everything is complete now. So this is very simple, just play of images and just play of colors and some play of tools. So very simple, you can try it out, and if you like the video make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel make sure to hit a subscribe also. So guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.